Hello, friends. Welcome to Inidha Kids and Babies videos. Today, we're going to have fun with questions and answers. Are you ready to learn how to talk, ask, and answer, just like big kids? Let's practice together, with fun topics like family, weather, school, and more. Come on. Let's start our kids' conversation now. What is your name?
My name is Inidha.
How old are you?
I am 5 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
How are you today?
I am happy.
What do you like to do?
I like to play and draw.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
Who's in your family?
I have a mom, dad, and a sister.
What does your mom do?
She cooks yummy food.
Do you love your dad?
Yes, I love him very much.
Do you help your parent?
Yes. I help clean my room.
What do you eat with your family?
We eat dinner together.
What's weather today?
It's sunny today.
Do you like the rain?
Yes. I like the rain.
Is it cold outside?
Yes. I wear my jacket.
What do you wear when it's hot?
I wear shorts and a t-shirt.
What falls in winter?
Snow falls in winter.
Is it windy today?
Yes. The trees are moving.
Can you see the sun?
Yes. It's bright and yellow.
What do you see in the sky?
I see clouds and birds.
What do you wear in the rain?
I wear a raincoat and boots.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What comes after Tuesday?
Wednesday comes after Tuesday.
What's your favorite day? I like Saturday. Do you go to school on Sunday?
No. Sunday is holiday.
How many days are in a week?
There are 7 days.
What is the first day of the week?
Sunday is the first day of the week.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
What do you do on Sunday?
I play and rest at home.
What do you take to school?
I take my bag and lunchbox.
What do you do in class?
I listen and learn.
Who helps you at school?
My teacher helps me.
Do you write with a pencil or pen?
I write with a pencil.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Do you play at school?
Yes. I play with my friends.
Do you like your school?
Yes. I love it.
What is your favorite toy?
My teddy bear.
What games do you play?
I play hide and seek.
Great job, kids! You've learned so many fun English questions and answers today. Keep practicing with your family and friends. The more you talk, the better you get. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.